Welcome to Open Foris Arena, building a simple processing chain. In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create and run a basic processing chain that combines quantitative, qualitative, and area-based attributes. From the main menu in the Analysis section, click Chains. You should see your processing chain called processing_chain, which you created in the previous lesson. Tab the pencil icon to the right to edit it. Next, click the checkbox called Sampling Design. At the top, you should see now the option to tab the Sampling Design button. Click it. Under Base Unit, a drop-down list will appear. Select the minimum sampling unit, which in this case is plot. Although several options are shown, only those related to the sampling area unit should be used. Typically, this is plot or subplot. Once the base unit is chosen, the buttons Sampling Strategy and Clustering Entity will appear on the top of Chain Attributes. Depending on the sampling design of the inventory, for instance, a national forest inventory, NFI, its sampling strategy can be selected. For simple sampling designs, either random or systematic options can be selected. Once a simple sampling option is selected, and if the sampling units of the NFI are arranged by clusters, the user must select cluster in the clustering entity. This option can be not specified if the sampling units are independent of each other, no clustering. In this example, we leave the clustering entity not specified. Alternatively, if the sampling strategy is stratified, select either stratified random or stratified systematic from the sampling strategy drop-down list. Then select the corresponding variable under stratum attribute. In this example, we do not have a stratum attribute. If the NFI sampling units are arranged in clusters, select cluster under clustering entity. If there is no clustering, this option may remain not specified. For this demonstration, we select for the sampling strategy the option Simple Random Sampling with no clustering entity specified. This is the simplest sampling design available. Next, you can see the option to specify the statistical analysis. This will be explained in a separate video. To ensure that all configurations made so far will be applied to compute the newly created attributes. The changes must be published by clicking the Publish button at the top of the screen to save all the predefined setups we just chose. Once the publishing is completed, return to the basic sheet and enable the Show Sampling Attributes checkbox. The new automatically generated area-based attributes will be shown at the top of the list. These include the plot weight and the base sampling unit area, in this case, the tree_plot_area. These new attributes will be used in subsequent calculations of area-based variables such as tree above ground biomass or stem volume. You have now created and run a basic processing chain that combines quantitative, qualitative, and area-based attributes.